I'm surprised nobody talks about this great combination of tea spray. This tea spray is indeed a game changer. This tea spray changed my hair growth. My hair start growing like crazy immediately I start using this tea spray on my hair. This tea spray also help to stop hair loss, regrow the edges, bald spots, stop hair breakage, thicken up your hair. This tea spray is something that you need to start using now if you want to see a great change on your hair growth, especially if your hair has stuck for the same length, especially if you are struggling for regrowing your edges, if you are struggling for hair breakage, hair loss, you want to thicken up your hair, you need to start using this tea spray now before it will be too late for you. So let me show you how I make this powerful tea spray and how to use it step by step. My first ingredient is ginger roots. This is the amount of ginger roots I'll be making use of, and I've already washed it off camera thoroughly. Next thing is to bring my grater to start grating it. If you're an OG on the channel, you know that I love using the skin of the ginger together because the skin also have its own powerful benefits in our hair. So if you don't have grater to grate this, please use your knife to dice it into a very tiny sizable. Make sure you dice it into a very tiny sizable so that the ginger can release the nutrient properly. After grating it, this is what I have so far. Let me say 2 tablespoons of grated ginger is what I'm using now. So I bring my clean jar to transfer it. My second ingredient is fennel seed. Fennel seed is another natural ingredient that is very good in our hair. Fennel seed help a lot in hair growth, solve a lot of hair problems. So I'll also be making use of 2 tablespoons of my fennel seed. My next ingredient is lavender buds. Lavender is another herb that is very great in our hair. Lavender help a lot in our hair growth journey. Lavender help a lot in thickening up your hair, stop hair fall, hair loss, breakage, regrow your hair, and also solve a lot of hair problems. So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my lavender buds. My next ingredient is my onion peel. I'm using handful of onion peel. I just pour water to rinse it, okay, so that I will not put dirty onion peel in my jar container. You can also use the normal onion, but have in mind that onion peel and the normal onion, they are the same. And also onion peel did not smell like normal onion. If you add normal onion on this onion itself, you know onion itself smell, but onion peel did not smell like that. But believe me, their benefits are the same. You can also do your research. So I pour in hot water into this my mixture ingredients. I'll cover it up, keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. You can also infuse it 8 hours, or you can also do boiling method. Do the one that you prefer. So I prefer doing infusion method, okay? After 12 hours is ready to be used. Do you see how potent this tea spray look like? This tea spray is super potent. Honestly, this is a prayer answer for you, for that slow hair growth, for that thinning hair, for that bald spot, for that hair loss, hair breakage. This is a prayer answer for you. I have shown you how to make this tea spray. Another thing is how to use it proper way to get that good result. This is how my hair is looking like. I'm going to use this tea spray as a leave-in tea spray. But before you do tea spray as a leave-in tea spray, please make sure that your hair is clean. Don't use it on a dirty hair, okay, for you to get the best results. Apply the tea spray on your scalp and on the strands of your hair. Focus on the scalp and also your problems area. The tea spray will change your hair go for good if you being consistent. I repeat, if you being consistent of using it in a very short period of time, your hair will never remain the same. There's a lot of herbs out there that you need to combine together. That is the solution for that your hair problems. This particular video is that great combination of ingredients that you need to try, you need to use for you to get that crazy results, for you to see that faster results. This combination, there's no joke on it. If you really don't want to grow that hair, if you really don't want to solve that problem, please and please do not make this tea spray. Do not use it, okay? Because the crazy result this tea spray will give to you is mind-blowing. I applied this tea spray consistent on my hair for 7 days. The result I got is unbelievable. I do not believe how this tea spray changed my hair. The results, I do not expect it to work the way it works. That's the magic of this tea spray for you. If you use this tea spray the way I just direct to you, you will never regret it and you will testify what I'm talking about. I'm telling you the honest review. Consistent is the key. And whenever you do tea spray, please, for you to get that best result, don't skip massaging your scalp and don't skip sealing in your hair with your butter or your leave-in condition. Follow up with the oil. It's very, very necessary you do these things, massaging and sealing in the moisture on your hair. Okay, allow this tea spray to sit on your hair. Do not wash it out. This tea spray do not make for you to wash it out or rinse it out. Please allow this tea spray to sit on your hair to do that great work it meant to do on your hair. How many times can you apply this tea spray on your hair? Apply this tea spray 3 to 4 times in a week for that best result. You can also use it every day on your hair, okay? But while using it every day, it's not every day you'll be applying butter or leave-in condition on your hair. Apply it whenever you know your hair is getting dry. Don't allow your hair to get dry and you just apply only this tea spray. Thought that this tea spray can moisturize your hair. This is a tea spray, it's not moisturizer. Whenever you use it, please moisturize your hair if your hair is dry, okay? Make sure you moisturize your hair and do not allow your hair to get dry before you can use your leave-in condition, your hair butter or your oil to see in the moisture. Please, I'm saying this for those that want to use it every day on their hair. Pay close attention. Know when your hair starts getting dry, moisturize your hair immediately you apply the tea spray, okay? To keep the tea spray, continue doing that great work for you. And make sure you massage your scalp. And whenever you're sleeping, please make sure you wear satin bonnet or satin pillowcase, or you can also tie satin hair tie, okay? And sleep. Don't sleep without covering your hair, okay? Storage. This tea spray can last only about 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. Please, after these 5 to 7 days, anyone that remaining, discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, let me know in comment section below. If you have any further question, please leave it in comment section below. I will glad to answer your questions. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, click on that subscribe button to join now. And once you subscribe, please make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really encouraged me a lot, and also it helped the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends for those that struggle for slow hair growth, edges, bar hair, so many of them thinning hair. It will help them a lot. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.